So, good morning.
Morning!
This is in behalf of Kapitan Eric Yap and the Council. We're very honored and grateful no, nga nakaservisyo ninyo at nakasuporta sa karon nga Tarabasa. Nalipay mo mo o wala?
Bye!
Sa kalisod sa kinabuhi, positibo.
Go!
Kay ug maningkamot lang ka, dili mo ka makuan, dili gyud lang ang kahirapan nimo kung mag-diskarte lang kasi imong kinabuhi.
Dapat lahat ng magulang ay dapat tularan pagdating sa pagpapalaki ng anak.
Especially sa Facebook, no? The Facebook is not your life, no? Dili na siya tinuod tanan gibutang dira, no? You can act very nicely sa Facebook, but actually in personal, dili na siya tinuod. So, don't be influenced with social media, especially social media, o kanang neighbors nimo. Because, ang naradyo ka makaibaw sa tao sa sulod sa ilang balay. No? At the four corners of their home. Sakto itong ngayon niya, ayaw magsuon kung unsa gipadako ang bata sa imong amiga or sa we're different man good. As keep on saying, ang bata is different good na siya sa facing. No? Anak, no. It's because ang bata lain-lain good na.
She was just a girl.
We're like diamonds in the sky.
Don't you worry, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, except for me.
Starships are meant to fly.
Cause it's always a good time.
I'm gonna die young.
In the crowd, I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Far away, far away.
You build a relationship with your co-parents, no? And then, congratulations, kids, no?
So with that, we are now about to end the Tarabasa tutorial program in Abangan Elementary School for